It's good to be with you. Welcome to Class Outside. Today, we are going to learn how to change the mouse icon when it hovers over something using Three.js. We'll need some tools to get this done. A 3D editor like Blender to set up a 3D scene, a code editor like Visual Studio Code for viewing and editing code, a package manager like Node Package Manager to install any necessary libraries like Three.js, and I will also be using this 3D model of a soccer ball from Sketchfab. And the code for this demonstration is available on GitHub. Both this and the model are linked down in the description. The first step is to download the 3D model from Sketchfab. Then open Blender and delete anything in the workspace. Import the 3D model and add a camera. Then set up a light too. Once that's ready, export the scene. When exporting, do check the boxes to include both the camera and the light. After exporting, I recommend going to threejs.org/editor and importing the file. Here you can see what it looks like when imported to Three.js and make any changes before getting into the code. When satisfied, export the scene as a GLTF. Now, let's download the code from the GitHub page. After extracting, open it in a code editor. If you are following along, make sure to copy the scene to somewhere that the project can see. The expected path for the scene can be found in mainView.js in the scene path variable. Now let's download the third-party libraries. Then open a terminal window and navigate to the folder that includes the file named package.json. Then run a command to install the dependencies. With Node Package Manager, this would be npm install. Once complete, open the mainView.js file. This file sets up the scene that will be viewed in the browser. It loads the GLTF and sets the camera to the first camera it finds in that file. It also adds a background color to the scene. Since we want the cursor to change when the mouse hovers over the soccer ball, we need to add an event listener. This triggers on mouse move every time the mouse moves. When the mouse does move, we get its location in the window. Then we use Raycasting to get a list of objects the mouse is pointing at. After that, we enter the animate function. This is run for every frame displayed in the browser window. The page's cursor value is set depending on a condition. If the intersections list is greater than 0, it will be set to a pointer. If the value is 0, it will be the default cursor. Let's see this in action. In a terminal window, run the following custom command: npm run start-dev. Two command prompt windows should open. This project uses a JavaScript tool called Webpack. It takes an extra moment to prepare, and the file's output might run faster when placed on a server. Open a web browser and go to localhost 3000. Then move your mouse over the button. Look at that. Together, we have changed the mouse cursor when it hovers over an object. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for attending Class Outside.